Hi guys, welcome to our 3D printing channel, What 3D Printing by Vexma. My name is Shaurim Patel and I'm co-founder and CEO of Vexma Technologies. Today we have yet another 3D printing scale model that we'd like to show you, and this is a very intriguing 3D printing model that we have done so far. This model has been prepared for one of our export customers into oil and gas industry. So this customer is into a renewable energy sector and they wanted a scale model of a pipeline plant setup for planning and commissioning purposes. So now when customer came to us, we helped them to decide the size of the model which can be easily transportable. We also help them with the color coding part, which independently shows what kind of temperature or what kind of material is being transported into these small pipes throughout the plant and the model. So if you have any such ideas or requirement, if you are into oil and gas sector, you utilize 3D model or 3D drawing for planning and commissioning, we suggest that you might as well go for a 3D printed miniature size scale model, and I'm sure that will fulfill your purposes. This can be done within 10 to 15 days. It doesn't take that much time. Guys, so if you like this video, if you like such content that we've been developing for 3D printing applications, we request you to please hit the bell icon, leave us a comment and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.